Hello, Slow-Mo Guys here. We typically shoot our videos using very large and very expensive movie cameras. However, the Galaxy S9 makes it incredibly simple to shoot super slow-mo on the fly.
That's much less hefty for sure.
It's true.
One thing that's very important with super slow-mo is timing. You don't want to miss that magic moment.
And typically when you're recording in slow-mo, you're dealing with much shorter record times.
Yeah, the Galaxy S9 records for 0.2 of a second.
And that gives you 6 seconds of slow-mo playback.
That's right. So when you're trying to get something and you don't know when it's going to happen, it can be kind of tricky to do it manually. Luckily, the phone has an auto function, and when it detects movement, it gets it for you.
I love it, just let the phone do all the work.
Pretty much. So
right.
to demonstrate that, I'm just going to step around here and set it up. Right.
It's so easy, even Dan can do it.
Hey. Okay, so if you step back.
How do I look?
Yeah, so. Right, I pushed record, and now, when movement's detected, it will automatically trigger.
Okay.
Okay, so do you want to just like wave or do something?
Well, very conveniently, Dan, it's a bucket of water right there.
So there is.
How thirsty are you?
Not that thirsty, but
Sort of a medium amount?
pretty much.
Oh, nice and full. This is a lot of water, actually.
Okay,
Okay.
hold on. Just gonna take this off.
Oh, I wouldn't want that to get wet.
Don't want to get it messy or anything, do I?
You know, it could use a clean.
Nah.
Okay, you ready?
Just.
Someone get me a towel.
Oh.
Because I got like 4 or 5 drips there.
Oh, you nailed me.
Should we go see if that worked?
It better have done.
That was our first ever slow-mo shot that was filmed by no one.
Wow, that's cool, isn't it?
That's an achievement.
Let's have a look at the timing of that bad boy, shall
See
we?
if we got it.
Oh, perfect. Good box position. Perfect. Oh, nailed me right in the nose there.
It's like throat and nose.
Let's watch that again. What's cool about this is you can add a twist and you can loop it or swing it so it just repeats.
Right.
Cool.
And also, because when you slow down time by this much, the audio doesn't sound right, you can also add a lovely music track.
Ooh.
Lovely. You want to do it again?
No.
No, I didn't think you would.
Can I dry off?
Yeah, right.
Sweet.
Let me watch this again. You go get dry.
All right.